good? I'm your host Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make a website for selling digital products. The platform that I'll be showing you is none other than Fourth Wall. And the reason why I recommend Fourth Wall as the best platform to sell digital products is because you can get started for completely free. And compared to other platforms, for example, like Patreon and even Gumroad, which is a very popular one, Fourth Wall offers the most features and also has the most competitive pricing. So for example, you can see a comparison chart right here of Fourth Wall versus Patreon versus Coffee. And if we were to scroll down, you can see the different features. There are numerous features, and you can also see that Fourth Wall is the only platform that has a 0% rate. The only time you'll pay is a 5% fee for membership fees. So for example, if you sell a membership, they'll be taking 5%. And when it comes on to digital products, as you can see right here, they'll take a 3% cut. But they'll deal with everything else, so it is definitely worthwhile. And you will only pay that commission whenever you get a sale. Now to get started, you will tap on Start Now after going on to fourthwall.com. From there, you can create an account using your email address or your YouTube channel. Once you have created your account, you will be redirected to this dashboard. Once on this dashboard, you are going to go over to the left-hand menu option and tap on Products. After selecting Products, you are going to tap on Create New Product. Since we are creating a digital product, we are going to tap on Sell Digital Product. But if it was a case that you would like to sell a physical product, you could do that for completely free. You can also use Fourth Wall to do print on demand. But we are going to tap on Sell Digital Product. After you have done that, you can add in your product name, product description, and from here you will be able to upload your digital product. So for example, let's say I were selling this image. I could tap on Open and you can see that it has been uploaded. After you have done that, you can set the price that you are selling it for. For example, if I were selling it for $30, you can see that I would receive $29.10. So all Fourth Wall will be taken for the transaction is 90 cents. Now you can scroll down, and from here you could add a cover image. So I could add a cover image real quick. After you have added your cover image, from here all you'll need to do now is tap on Save. But before doing that, you're going to tap where you see Hidden and you'll tap on Public, then tap on Save. After you have published it, if we were to tap on the URL right here, you can see our product, and this is how our store looks. And we were able to do all of that for completely free. Now, if you would like to receive payments or if you would like to add other products, you can do that by going over to the left-hand menu option. You can also set up membership by tapping on Membership. And to receive payments, you'll tap on Settings from the left-hand menu option. Then from there, you're going to tap on Billing and Payout. And from there, you'll be able to add your payment method. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.